Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain how we convert Tableau dashboards into Power BI dashboards. First, we need to complete the connection setup. For the migration source, select Workspace and choose Source as the connection type. Here, Tableau appears as the source. After adding the required details, the source connection will be displayed here. Similarly, for the target setup where Power BI appears as the type, add the required details, and the target connection will be displayed here. For the source, we have Tableau Cloud with multiple projects. For this demo, I'm selecting 3 workbooks based on dashboard complexity: call center data analysis as a low-level dashboard, cars industry analysis as a complex, and HR analysis as a medium-level dashboard. This is how the dashboards look: HR analysis, cars industry analysis, and call center data analysis, which we're going to convert. Now, moving back to QMigrator, once the connection setup is completed, we perform extraction, where reports are directly extracted from Tableau Cloud. For extraction, we select the run number, choose the Tableau source connection, and select the Tableau project as default. When we select the Tableau project as default, we have the capability to choose all or any number of projects here. We're going to select call center, cars industry, and HR analysis, and then trigger the extraction. For extraction with files, we can upload a manual TWP file along with data files as a zip file and trigger the extraction. Next, we have execution status, where we can view the extraction status as success, error, or in progress. Under execution logs, by providing the run number, we can view the logs and reports here. Next, we have dependency analysis. This is how the dependency analysis report looks after triggering. It helps us understand dependencies between Tableau worksheets and dashboards and supports migration planning. Moving back to QMigrator, we also have open metadata is integrated into the platform to check report lineage. When we select the respective dashboard, we can view the lineage and other related information here. Object dependency analysis and data lineage also help in migration planning across sprints. Once extraction is completed, we move to the conversion phase, where the extracted Tableau report is converted into a PBIP file and deployed to the Fabric workspace. For conversion, we provide the run number, select the Tableau connection as the source, default as the Tableau project, and the Power BI connection as the target. Then we select the 3 projects: call center, cars industry analysis, and HR analysis, and trigger the conversion using check details. We also have execution status to track the conversion as success, failed, or in progress. Under execution logs, we can view the logs using the run number. We also have deployment logs for deployment failures. And we also have failed objects, where we can view any failed objects in the reports and reports section. Along with conversion, we also have a validation screen and some AI agent screens, such as the conversion agent, code debug agent, and module agent. We use these agents when the actual process is not able to handle a particular scenario. These agents take the code and assist in handling the report conversion. Now, once the conversion is completed, the reports are deployed into the target connection that we specified earlier as the Power BI connection. We can now move to Power BI, where we can see the call center, cars industry analysis, and HR analysis reports along with their semantic models. Once we open the reports, we can see the converted Power BI dashboards. This is the converted Power BI dashboard for HR analysis. And for call center data analysis, this is how the converted Power BI dashboard looks. And this is how the converted cars industry analysis dashboard looks. To analyze all these processes, we have a dashboard section in QMigrator with a leadership screen that tracks phases such as discovered, assessed, planned, in conversion, validated, UAT, and deployed. It also provides insights into discovered and converted reports, migrated data sources, validation and deployment status, conversion progress, migration velocity, quality metrics, and migration risks or blockers. Now, coming to the delivery team section. We have insights into sprint activities such as assigned, in progress, completed, and blocked workbooks. We also have a sprint burndown graph that tracks the remaining sprint workbooks against the ideal completion pace. The daily output chart shows the number of workbooks converted each day during the sprint. In addition, the sprint team workload chart displays the workbooks assigned to each developer in the current sprint, and the sprint complexity mix shows the complexity distribution of workbooks across single sheet, multi-sheet, calculated fields, and level of detail calculations. Thank you.